Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. So let's get started. Yes, I will continue with the Sudoku with 2 stars. That is in the additional of Friday, June the 5th in the daily newspaper. So let me see which number I can use. How about the number? The number 9. We see here 9 in the last column, and the 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. Here also 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So in column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 4. I see need more information. Yes. How about the number? Alright. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. In this column, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next, we have an 8 over there. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column. 8 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. I see there an 8. Look, 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. I see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. Here an 8. No 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Yes, and now I can continue with the 4. 4 in this row. 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. But I see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. Then in this big square, we have 3 missing numbers. The missing numbers are in this column, in this big square, the 5, the 6, and the 7. I see here the 6 and the 7, so no 6 and the 7 in this box. That means 1 digit left for the 5. Here we have the 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have here the two boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and the 9. In this row, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And then I need to see. These 3 numbers in this row, the missing numbers here in the 3rd row are the numbers 1, 3, and the 6. 1, 3, and a 6. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 6. Yeah, I can continue with the 6 because I know one of these 2 boxes is a 6. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the 3rd row. So in the 2nd row, the row between, the only 2 places for 6 here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait. How about these 2 numbers in this column? The missing numbers here are the 3 and the 7. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes and there. 2. I need a 2. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be here. And then yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers here are the 2, the 3, and the 7. And look, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. The only place for the only digit left should be the 7 in this box. So here we have the 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 and a 7, I remember, in this big square. Now we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. And then in this big square. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1. In these 3 boxes, there 1, no 1. In those 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so in the second column, the column between. The only 2 places for the 1, here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column. The 2 is missing and the 9 is missing. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 5 goes there. 1 missing number in the second column for the number 9. Then how about these 2 numbers in the middle column, the missing numbers 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 5. 1 missing number in this column for the number 2. 1 missing number in the second row for the number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 8. No, 8 we have. This should be 1, 2, 3, the 5. The 5 should be there. 2 numbers missing in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow! Can't believe this. This is a 2-star, and they need to switch this Sudoku with the previous one. Previous one is not 1-star. Anyway, do you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with this one. The third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 3 stars. So see you later. Bye bye.